Hey there, YouTube. What's going on? Welcome to the Gym of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. I am I'm at a job site right now at my Gym of All Trades contracting business. I'm a remodeler, and anyway, I'm full of drywall mud, and I'm pretty tired. But I wanted to get you some information out, so here you go. Um, a little pump today was for me is a little unexpected because of the wave structure. So I want to take a peek and see what we have here and jump in. Don't forget, this is financial advice, okay? All right, just the first thing that jumps out at me right now, we've got hidden bearish divergence right here on the 1 hour chart. We have the RSI going up or making a higher high while it's not strong enough to push price to a higher high. So hidden bearish divergence right there. This looks like potential triangle, but I don't think it is. It would be a running triangle if it's possible. I suppose that if it's a triangle, it's a running triangle. Okay, so let me show you what a running triangle is. Basically, as the wave comes, this is an ABC, okay, and then the triangle is going to be the B wave, okay, and let's see, that could be something like this. There's A, B, C, D, gonna get an E, and then off to the races, okay. That would put us up this direction. Okay, so there's one way to interpret this. If we have a triangle, all of these would have to be three waves. That's my problem with this particular wave. I don't like the wave delineations. Okay, this one looks like five waves to the downside. This one looks like five waves to the upside. So, okay, so I'm not a big fan of the triangle, but there you go. There's a possibility for what we're looking at. Let's look at something else. Um, let's see what else. What I was expecting or looking at, guys, was, let's see here. I had a one, a two, three, four, five. I think that's the count right there. And then one way to interpret this is that this is actually a expanded flat right here, right there, as the two wave or a B wave. So we got a five wave, then we got a three wave, and then we're going to expect basically another five wave move to the downside, and that's going to give us a three wave move to the downside and make this complex correction. I'm trying to center this for you guys. There you go. So in other words, let me just draw it simply here. This would be this would be a five, a three, and then we get another five wave down. Okay, and so this would be a three wave move. Okay. Um, let's see. Then we'd have another three wave move here as a WXY. Okay. So that's a possibility, and then we'd expect another move to the upside, and we finally get our upside targets that we've been looking for. Okay, so that's another possibility that I'm seeing on the table. Again, I'm just showing you possibilities, guys. I don't know what price is going to do, but I can show you the wave structures based upon what I can do is I can show, based upon the wave structure that I see, I can show you what structures could be formed from an Elliott wave perspective, and that's what I'm doing. So please, no comments like, "Oh, so you're just guessing." Of course, I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm trying to look at it through an Elliott wave lens and figure this thing out. Another possibility here is that we have a flat right here, and this is done. Okay, so this is basically the first wave. That's the second wave, and now we're in the process of getting our upside move. To the up in these upside targets. Okay, and so basically the middle wave is just a flat. It's actually a running flat where let's see if I can show you what a running flat is. A running flat basically where the C leg does not break the bottom of the bottom of A. So this is A, B, and C, and then it just continues up unexpectedly. Okay, and so that's a possibility as well. So that's another way to interpret this wave action here. see if I can get that off the table there. So yeah, we just have a flat here. That's a 3, 3, and a 5, and then now we're getting the 1, 2 of the next wave to come up. So could just be heading up from here. That's a possibility as well. All right, so we got the triangle on the table potentially, though I don't like it. We also have the WXY to the downside here, which would then imply a move to the upside after that. Okay, and then or this thing is finished right here. That's a flat, and this is the W. That's the X wave, and now we're getting our move to the upside, our Y wave. And so those are the possibilities. How do you know which one's which? Well, if a wave comes down and breaks this low right here, guys, then we're not going up from here. That would nullify a 1-2 wave. Okay, so that's one way you can think about it. If price also comes down and breaks this trend line, most likely the triangle is off the table from this direction. Okay. Let's see if you get a move down here, we touch the trend line and then we come back and we start bouncing off of that. Could be the triangle that is in play. Okay. And so yeah, you're just gonna have to watch wave action to see what's going on. Look for a place to enter for a trade. But anyway, there's still upside targets that we're looking at, and we want to see those things come to fruition. Okay. All right, that's all the time I have today for. I just wanted to give you a short update. That's what I'm seeing. Those are the possibilities as far as the wave shapes are concerned. Let's see. I guess I need to give you some targets. Let me get the 2-hour chart. I'm so tired today, guys. Oh, so tired. Still haven't left work. All right, so this would be if this is finished. We got $9,000 is the 1-to-1 extension. 83.45 is the 786. Interesting fibs there. Not inclined to believe those, but possible. It is possible. Not it could come up back up and break that 9,000 region. So let's see if we come down. Here we're looking at 52.33. We'd be looking at a move down here. This would have to finish in 3 waves. I don't like this either, but this would have to do this and then this. So looking at 52.30 if it comes down here, and then we'd be off to the races, up to the upper regions for our larger upside targets there. Okay, all right, guys. You guys have a fantastic day. Sorry it was so quick, but hopefully that gives you just an idea as to what might happen. We're gonna have to wait and see. But basically, 3 scenarios are on the table right now. We'll have to wait and see when they're nullified. All right, there you go. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.